Can I be honest for a second? I have tested more than 8 models and I can count. They all follow the same cycle. Everyone says they are evolutionary, but every time I end up asking myself, cool, but how does this help me? Half of the time I'm setting up workflows or paying crazy subscriptions. Seedance 2.5 and a Seedream 5.0 Pro, some of the first models that generally broke the patterns for me. Instead of feeling like expensive AI toys, they feel like something you would use every single day. So let's get started. So here we are on the Dola app. Seedance 2.5 and a Seedream 5.0 Pro just dropped and they are now free to use on Dola. Instead of switching between different AI platforms, you simply describe what you want in a natural language and Dola handles the entire generation process. Let's begin with Seedance 2.5. This is the world's newest AI video generation model and brings several impressive movements. Now let's start with selecting the video model. Select the duration and the ratio of the video we want. Then guys, we can simply give our prompt to them what kind of video we want. One thing I notice the way that the result feels more natural. Most AI video still looks obviously artificial, but Seedance 2.5 removes that AI look and makes scenes more truly layered. Another big upgrade is multi-reference consistency. It keeps people, product and visual style consistent across every scene. Now let's guys, we are going to put our reference images and then after it guys we will put the prompt to them and let's see what kind of video we got using reference images. For them they uses the exact reference images we have provided to them and the video looks impressive, not artificial. This is looks guys genuine video created. Audio and visuals also seeing much better. Music pacing transitions and fit together like a professional edited video. Honestly, these examples barely scratch surface. I already see being used for a real work or just flashy demos, marketing campaigns, or business ads, student projects, daily content creation. This is when AI video becomes something people actually rely on it. Now let's check the Seedream 5.0 Pro. This is built for a high quality AI image. I tested it by making product promo shots and a cinematic art, all using simple natural language. First of all guys, we can simply click on the create image section and simple we can select the model Seedream 5.0 Pro. We can select the ratio as well. We can select the style as well. The results are ready. The level of detail is amazing. The texture, lighting, reflection, expression and a tiny detail looks fair richer than most AI generators. These images are ready to use straight away for presentations, marketing, social posts or creative work. What impresses me most isn't just the quality, it's how simple the whole process is. Everything works through a normal chat, no complex software, no editing skills needed, no confusions, menus. Whether you are making lessons, marketing materials, YouTube assets, social content or a business visuals, Dola makes a pro level AI creations open for everyone. If you want to try these new models yourself, Dola lets everyone use them completely free right now. Play around with your own ideas and see how it fits your work. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like to our channel and let's meet in the next video guys. Goodbye.